Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel on Go High Level Skills. So in this video, I wanted to show you the ultimate guide to Ask AI. Ask AI is similar to the ChatGPT, but in Go High Level, Ask AI will do more than ChatGPT. So very simple. Ask AI in Go High Level will create the funnels, will create the communities. You ask, it will do it for you. So I will show you in this video in detail, step by step, how to use that Ask AI feature in Go High Level CRM, and it is the most powerful video, I can say that, and it is a very powerful feature also. So I will share my screen and show it to you how this feature is going to be help you to create funnels, websites, or something, anything. If you want a very simple, we can do that stuff. Okay, so very simple. It is only provided for the agency support. If you are in the any sub account or something that, so your customers of the sub account will not use this feature, so it will be the default feature for the agency view only. So on the top right corner, you can click on the Ask AI feature. So in this Ask AI, so we can create communities, we can create landing pages. You need to ask, it will do for you. So we need no need manual works and nothing like that. So very simple. In this video, I will show you in detail, step by step. Very simple. So it is only visible on the agency mode, first point. So you can create a draft social media post for any campaign. So you can summarize the contacts, and you can write an email to promote your own new product or something like that, and you can generate a funnels from Ask AI. So this is the future. On the top right corner, you can find it, and you can create new chart. You can find the chart history. You can ask anything, it will do it for you. So I just wanted to ask you, ask something here to create a communities in LMS portal. Very simple. So I need to create a communities, one community, demo community. Okay, so I need to create a community. So I'm asking to the AI. So let's see what it will respond and how much time it will take. Very simple, within 2-3 minutes it will done. So I have already tested, so you can use it. So it's asking few questions. So hey there, I'm super excited to build your community. So let's get started first. So what exactly the name of our community? So it's asking the first question, what exactly we need to name for the communities. So no need manual work. You can ask to the AI, it will done for you. So I wanted to create a demo community. So my community name is like demo. So I just given that reply to Ask AI. So now Ask AI is going to be work for me to create a brand community called like demo community. So let's see how things are working here. Awesome. So I just wanted to waiting for the response from Ask AI. So let's see, it will be ask some other question or something like that. So awesome. So thanks for sharing the community name demo. So what type of community is this? And it's asking the description part. Super awesome. Okay. So here is a few examples: professional network, learning and resources, or help support, or something like networking to the businesses growth networks. So I just wanted to be like professional network. So I can choose this option called like networking for my free leads or something like that. So I choose then option called like professional network. So let's see what exactly next option. Ask A will ask some questions to build the communities automatically. Super. So thanks for letting know the professional network who is the ideal client for this community. So anyone. So I'm giving answer from anyone. So who really wanted to be professionally network on this demo community. So I'm just giving them response. Anyone can join. So let's asking one more question from Ask A. So thank you for letting me know the ideal client for your customers. Anyone. So what is your community help to accomplish when they join? So what exactly the end goal of our community? So automation or something like that, or what exactly the end goal of our community. So learning something about automation. Okay na? learning some learning about automation. Okay, so I'm giving the response learning about automation. So let's see next question what AI ask AI will ask some as questions from thing, and automatically it will do everything. Fantastic. Now let's charge your community or it will be free. So it's like a school community. So very simple. So is it paid or free? It's asking paid or free. So I'm creating for a networking community absolutely for free. So I want to be free. Awesome. So now it will ask some other question. So let's wait for ask A what exactly the question it will ask. Great. Do you have any image do you wanted to like me to use for the building a community? So it's drop it in the chat. So it's asking the logo. Very simple. So logo, it will create anything, everything. So we no need to find anything. So very simple. I'm selecting one option. So I need to upload one logo file here. So I can bring it from my PC or something like that. I'm just taking the high level robo logo here. So let's see how beautiful community Ask AI will create for us. And I'm just sending to the Ask AI. Let's find it. So I just shared this image, and let's see how this will create a community where can we found these options, and all. I will show it to you. Awesome, fantastic. It's taking lesser time and building a community, no manual work. So if you are unable to create landing pages, websites, unable to write a email snippet, everything this Ask AI will do for you. Awesome. So thanks for sharing your image, and your provider doesn't has the correct aspect of, I think so, 1:1 ratio it was asking to ensure, and it's fit perfect. Let us me know any questions. So without image, I just wanted to create an image. So later I can change. So I just wanted to, as of now, I don't have 1:1 ratio image. So later I will upload. Later I will upload image. Just create a demo community. Awesome. So I'm just telling that ask A. So no need to worry. So I will upload the logo later. So I just wanted, please create me a logo. So it's now asking me the community color combinations. Awesome. Fantastic. So let's select this color. So royal velvet. Let's find it how this ask AI is going to be update a beautiful community color combination. Fantastic. Let's wait for the output, and boom, it's done. The community has been created successfully. Now you can click it here and you can find it, the community option with our velvet code and everything. Boom. School is the community, same kind of go high level with the go collab. They are created this feature, and you see like everything updated. Boom. It's like community feature. So if we update the logo, it will be shown here. So join a global community for anyone interested who are enhancing the skill. Everything it's done, right? You see, like fantastic. So everyone can see it here, and you can insights collaborate like minded people, professional engaging in the advanced, and members, admins, join group, everything we can share it. How powerful Ask AI is created. So I'm not at connected anything yet here. So there is a very powerful feature from Go High Level. You can create Ask AI feature. So I can find it in my sub account. You can go to the memberships option on the left side, and you can go to the communities, and you can see the groups also. You can anytime find that group, what exactly the Ask AI is created, and it's already stored in our communities feature, and you can share it with your friends, that link. And you see like demo community has been created, and you can revamp it and you can use it anywhere. Powerful feature, right? So you can build same like this, and you can have the chart history. So you can have the chart history, what exactly we are having and today, and you can sorry, you can use this ask a feature, and you can create a new chart, and you can ask anything, it will done for you. Fantastic feature from go high level. Thanks to go high level for this up-to-date updates from ask a. So thank you so much, and hope everyone enjoying this video. So if you can like that button, and you can like this video and share it to your friends. And if you are interested, so you can also use this ask a feature. And if you are not yet subscribed to our go high level skills channel, so please make sure to subscribe. And you are going to be get daily videos on updates of the go high level, and you can learn a lot of subject. And if you are not a user at go high level still, so this is the all-in-one best marketing. You can white label and you can resell to your customers, and unlimited sub accounts you can create. And the plan starts from $97. If you are like an individual business owner, you can select like $97 plan. If you're an agency owner, if you are like a digital marketing agency, you can select $297 plan, or else like $497 plan. It's a purely white label software. It's a very powerful. I given you the 14 days free trial link in my channel description, so or else like in the pin comment. So please check it out, and get your 14 days free trial and take your agency to the next level. So subscribe to our channel. All right, so see, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.